All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Zen, some new Zen projects that are going to be launched here in the near future. I hope you guys are ready. Be sure to click that like button, subscribe. If you are new, I'm back. It feels good to be back. I'm 1000% ready. I'm hyped. I'm fully energized. If you guys don't know, I pretty much went to the beach. My wife and I literally said, you know what? Screw it. We were in the mood of going to the beach. We got everything packed, get in the car, got fuel, and went on out. And it was exciting. It was great. We've been there since Thursday, I think it was, and today is Sunday. We just got back not too long ago, and it was fun. I'm a little bit tannish, not too much. It was beautiful days, man. We were supposed to stay there for like a day, and then we stayed there, and then we were like, you know what? Let's stay another day, and it just continued. So it was great. I sent out a tweet, so I apologize for the lack of videos and stuff like that, but you guys were great on Twitter. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter, it is CryptoAudiKing. The link is in the description. That way you guys don't get scammed on another fake account. And yeah, I sent out a tweet, and a lot of you guys were just saying, have fun, don't worry about the videos, take care, relax, stuff like that. Some of you guys were even at the beach too. So I love the community, man. You guys are just freaking amazing. I absolutely love how we can just communicate. You guys understand. You guys can see, it is a little stressful doing videos. It is stressful getting the price, seeing the price at this level right now. But this video specifically with the technical analysis side, everybody has their own point of view. You can continue to say that it's going to go lower. That's perfectly fine. I respect your decision just as long as you respect my own personal opinion. Okay, so Zen community, let's start with the charting of Zen under the ERC20 token. One thing I want to point out, the first thing I want to point out is the 1334 gap. It is widening out. Okay, it is getting further apart. It is looking to be more bearish than what it is. Okay, if you guys don't know, I've done previous YouTube videos about the 1334. Whenever they cross right here, it is a bullish sign as long as the candlesticks are above. But we did have a fake out that it crossed again and it turned into a bearish cross on the 1334. That right there literally made this right here happen. That big red long candle downward. We lost support level down here and we continued going lower and lower. The 1334 got further out. And I did say, guys, we can look at this next support level. I literally made a YouTube video about it. I mentioned it. You guys will know I said it. Okay, I said it would not surprise me if we were to go down to this level of around 8.5, give or take that area. Okay, we are pretty much right there at it. Okay, I think the lowest was like 8.8 or like 8.9 or something like that. Okay, different exchanges and everything have different lows and whatnot on based off of their data and all that stuff, but it's close enough, right? I'm not gonna be perfect, okay, but so far my technical analysis have been pretty spot on. Okay, so this level is where I am very confident that we can see at least flatness, if not a little tiny bounce. But I don't see this seeing a really big, massive, push upward, a big green candle. I don't see it happening soon, simply because of these two, the 1334 being so wide apart. Okay, I've mentioned before, I said, look, this is too wide. In previous videos, guys, check out the previous video. This is why you're subscribed to this channel. This is why you need to stay up to date about everything. I was making a YouTube video over here. I said, this is way too far out. We're going to go lower, and I'm pretty sure the closer it gets, the more news is going to come out. Well, the gap between the 1334 got smaller and smaller and smaller. As you guys see, you guys can literally see this. The 1334 got smaller, smaller, smaller. Then boom, Jack sent out a tweet saying, hey, July 4th is Independence Day, blah, 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 this and that. And more news started coming out, more partnerships, KuCoin, KANGA exchange, blah, 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 all that stuff. And then we crossed, making it bullish. Okay. And then, certain stuff happened, certain announcements, certain scenarios happened to where it did not like what it was doing, the project, the burning, how much was coming out into circulation, all that stuff made this right here possible. Okay, the RSI is also giving me the signal that we are either bottoming out, give or take, to maybe into the oversold area. This area right here, man, I kind of want to, I want to say this, but I can't, okay? You guys understand why I can't say this. I just want to point out, hey, you might want to load up around this area, okay? DCA is the best strategy to do. This area is the safe zone, not financial advice. Do your own research, put in where you can afford to lose, because at the end of the day, it is still a gamble. It really, really is. Okay, so right here, I've been buying for the past like 2 days around this area right here, man. I've just been buying a couple $100 worth. I was on the beach and I was like, okay, I see it at around 9. I'm gonna buy me, a good batch full or something. See how it goes. You guys know that whenever Zen hits around, last time it hit this area was back in, like, oh my goodness, it was back in the beginning of this year, and then boom, it skyrocketed. It kept going up, and it did like an 8 or a 10x. So the potential is there of it to do a second round. Yes, it is possible. Okay, let me also point out the lowest. I kind of want to say, like, the most absolute worst case scenario is that if this breaks, please keep in mind this area is strong, but if it breaks down, okay, and it closes the weekly, I hope you guys are paying attention to exactly what I'm saying, man, because every word I'm saying, in a way, I'm trying to help you guys as much as possible, but there's only so much I can say to like give you a hint, be like, yo, this is exactly what you need to do so you can buy in and load up and sell, take profit if you want to, stuff like that. All right. So I hope you guys understand the terms that I'm trying to point out to you. Okay. I'm trying to take care of every single one of you guys. I know there's a lot of new guys out here. And I understand that. I'm trying to help the little fish. I'm still a little fish compared to all the other crypto guys out there, right? That are literally loading up and have multi-million-dollar crypto accounts. Okay, I'm trying to help you guys out. All right. So if this support level right here closes, and if it is below on the weekly candle, if the weekly candle closes below this trend line, I'm gonna go ahead and call we will be retesting the all-time low of around 6.8. This 6.8 area, I called the bottom perfectly in the beginning of the year. If you are subscribed, you know what I'm talking about. You know it's true. You guys know exactly the price that I am talking about, okay? But I mean, if you even think about it, around this area, 8.8 to 6.8, that's what, like a 20, I don't even know, a 25%, drop, and another 25% drop. But the RSI is already telling me, yo, we're pretty much getting into the oversold area. We are due for at least some consolidation to a little tiny bit of an upward trend, not a big pump, unless there's some major news of a big burn, a big project comes out, or if Jack comes out with some amazing breakthrough content, DApp, something, right? That's the only way I can see this pumping up with one big green candle, okay? All right, but as of right now, I don't see that happening. I haven't gotten any signal about that happening, but there is now 2 candlesticks in which it's starting to level out right around on this support level. I'm super excited about this, man. I really hope you guys are understanding what I am saying, because if you get in right now, these prices, if it does go back to the all-time low, if it's only a loss if you sell, okay? But if you continue doing that diamond hands, and this is a multi-year hold, guys, it really, really is, okay? It's going to test your patience. It's going to test you every way, every shape and form. And there's only one outcome, and that's you not selling. It's you holding them bags and down, just DCA, continue buying, putting whatever you can afford to lose, and just wait for that bull run. That's what we are waiting for, the bull run. DB Zen NFTs are also coming out, which are going to be burning so many Zen out there, okay? There's still many more projects, which, by the way, there's a new one, a Zenify, okay? Do your research, all right? I'm not going to leave this link down below in the description. Do your research. It is zenify.io. Just know that it is a risk, but this one's looking really, really good, okay? It is pretty much like a swapping feature, but it's going to be utilizing Zen rewards, ETH rewards. There's their token XNF rewards. A bunch of stuff is going to be coming out. There's also more projects out there. I saw one list of Twitter, and 2 of them are coming out pretty much on the same day. So a bunch of stuff is looking good for Zen. We just got to be patient. We got to know the tokenomics. We got to understand it's a waiting game. And if you're not patient with this coin, then just, crypto just isn't for you, to be honest with you. I didn't want to say it, but crypto is literally a patience game. You got to buy, hold, wait for the bull run. You're good to go, okay? If you're a day trader or a swing trader, everybody is different in their own ways. So you got to find out what works best for you. This is what works for me, and I'm going to stick with it, right? So hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. If you don't know where to sell your PLS, or if you want to buy PLS, the best exchange is KANGA, man. This one's amazing to just get in and out. There's Hex, also PLS, and you can just send your PLS to your wallet. You don't have to worry about the Ethereum fees, Ethereum gas bridging, all that confusion that some of you guys do have. It's perfectly fine. I understand that. It's a little more complex to others. But check out KANGA Exchange. The link for KANGA is going to be down below in the description. It helps out the channel just in case you guys are interested. That way it makes life a whole lot easier. But guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.